Well, so they say. Yeah.
Well, you know, look,
And
the devil might be a hermaphrodite. There's the other part of it, right? Come on,
right.
let's be balanced here. So, I'm just thinking, I don't understand.
Correct, huh?
Yeah, I don't understand the motive, though, if that was the case, that the devil wants to do that. I don't get it.
But because he's evil.
But is it? No, that's not an excuse, just because he's evil. I mean, what, for fun, because he's evil? No, there's got to be a reason. I mean, if that were true.
Yeah.
Nah,
Yeah, maybe.
doesn't
And,
work.
and the other thing is Dr. Francis Boyle says that if you look through a microscope, it's not just one virus either. He says there's about 4 or 5 different viruses spliced into it. He said it looks like Frankenstein. You look up through the microscope, you see all the little scars in it.
Oh, really? Okay, right.
Yeah. So,
sorry, is that also linked to evilness as well? When you see that in the microscope? Oh, come on, it has to be.
I don't know about that.
Yeah. You know, it's funny what we actually want to hear, and so it makes us feel better that if it's that, it's this. It's just a bloody virus, Glenn.
Oh, yeah, it's not much worse than the flu, so they say.
It's just a virus.
You know, it's just the infection rate.
Yeah, look, I'm just thinking, okay, if that's the work of the...
People are panicking. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I know. Glenn, if that's the work of the devil then, and you said it's in the Bible, is Wuhan in the Bible? Is that lab in the Bible?
Don't know.
Yeah.